Hi, I'm Chad Shepard from Pete's RV Center. I just want to take a moment of your time and talk to you today about campground rentals. Pete's RV Center since 1997 has been the industry leader in providing campers to campgrounds for rental. As you see, through the years, campgrounds have realized, you know what, this camper can generate $8,000 worth of profit to my campground in 1 year alone. So we put packages together, whether you have one campsite that you want to put a rental trailer on or you got 100 campsites. Pete's RV Center has built programs with discounts and rebates right from the manufacturer to help you get campers in your campground, create all kinds of money through your store, through all your game room, and then at the end of the season you can sell it off. And there's a good chance you're going to sell it to someone who rented it and they're going to put it in your campground as a seasonal unit. And then you'll make money over years and years with those same family. So it's been a great promotion. We do all the states. We've got big campgrounds in Maine, Florida, New York, California, and we have small campgrounds in probably 40 other states that we provide discounts to as well. So don't think you're too small or too big. We can help you out all the way. My name is Chad Shepard. You can reach me anytime at chad@petesrv.com or give me a call. I'll be glad to help you through it. Over the course of the years, we provide thousands of units to campgrounds, and I can tell you how they do it. If you don't know how to do it, you can make extra money for you and your family. Thanks for thinking Pete's RV today, and talk to you soon.